Welcome back to the channel. If you have been here before and watched my previous videos, thank you so much. And if you haven't already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. In today's video, I'll be guiding you through the process of applying for a birth certificate online for a child who haven't been issued one yet, and also who haven't yet attained 18 years. For you to do this application online, you should have the following requirements ready. Number 1, birth notification, a scanned copy and uploaded in your computer where you are doing this application. Number 2, scanned copies of parents' ID cards. I suggest you scan both front and back in the same page, but 2 different copies, one for a father and another one for a mother. And number 3, the requirement for 2025, you need an application fee of Kenya shillings 250. Calculate including transaction fee of the service you are using. If it is M-Pesa, maybe you calculate additional transaction fee. If it is bank, you have list of bank, you add in that 250, add that transaction fee. So let us start the process. Go to your browser and type accounts.ecitizen.go.ke. If you have not yet registered to this platform eCitizen, you can just click here register and start here the process of registration. It is just a simple and quick process of registration here. You just need your ID card and you start registration. But because already I have account with eCitizen, I will just log in. You enter your ID card number here and password. Then click sign in. Here you are required to get a one-time password verification either to your email address or your mobile phone. For me, I will select an option to receive to my mobile phone. I will click send code to my phone. Then I will wait to check my phone. Okay, it's already here. You enter the code you have received in this space here. Then you click next. We are now logged in eCitizen. Because we are doing new birth certificate application. You can just scroll downside here. You can either click here apply for birth certificate, or you can use this option here, civil registration services. You can click there. After clicking either of those two, you are required again to log in. You can just click here log with eCitizen, it will log in automatically. Then you are signing in with eCitizen. Let's click continue. Now we are in the first page of birth certificate application. You have the first step here is instruction, application details, child details, parents information. All you have to enter here. So we are in step 1. We have some instruction here you can read and see what you are required. You need to fill the application form, upload all documents, you pay and wait for notification via SMS. So required is a scanned copy of birth notification, the way I just told you, a scanned copy of ID documentation if a person is above 18 years, but here I'm going to concentrate with a person who is less than 18 years and he has attained 6 months. Scanned copy of parents' identification documents. And the fees is 200 for birth certificate without amendment, and eCitizen fee 50 bob. So total you should have 250 in your M-Pesa, or around 300 plus transaction fee for processing this payment. We have some other instruction here. In case you lost birth notification, please go back to medical facility where the birth occurred. All updates on the application will be communicated by SMS. You will receive SMS alert and the birth certificate is ready for collection. The application should be submitted at least 30 days after the date of birth. At least. Okay, you click next after reading the instruction. So this is the form. Type of application, you can just choose here. I'll choose new birth certificate without amendment. Pick up location. I prefer Huduma Center GPO. Residential address. To confirm if the details are correct, you click next. Changes you make will be saved as a draft and will not reflect in application until you submit the form at the end. You click next. We are only receiving Nairobi County cases at the moment. Any birth certificate application submitted that does not belong to Nairobi County will be rejected. So we can just continue because of this notification, but it should not scare you. Although for the other counties, the process is just the same, but the first option there from the first page, you have just collect birth certificate outside Nairobi. Is the child over 18 years? No. Was the child born in a health facility? Yes. So you can just select correct according to the child you are applying for. County of birth, Nairobi. Hospital of birth, let me just check this one here. End of notification, you go to the birth notification document and you enter this number here, serial number, where it is indicated as a serial number. The name of the child, first name, just enter exactly the way you want it to be. Then you enter date of birth. You can scroll with these arrows here to change to go back. You can use these arrows to go in front. You can use this arrow and you click the date here. After reaching the correct month and year, just click the date here and it will appear. Child gender, choose this one here. Then you confirm if the details, spelling, everything is okay, because if you do here something wrong, it might cost you in the future to correct. Then you click next. Now we are on the page for parents information. For mother's information, you just click here and answer the question here. Are the details of mother available? Click yes or no according to you. I will click here yes. Identification type for the mother, national ID. I will click this one here. Then ID number here. I will enter ID number for the mother. First name, I will enter here. Please enter exactly correct information, otherwise it will cost you in the future, maybe to change to the correct names or the ID number, something like that. It will cost you in the future, and also it will cause some inconvenience. So make sure you enter correct information. Don't hurry. Enter information and confirm. After you have entered mother's information, you click here search and you wait for these details to populate here. It will just populate automatically. So here, don't struggle to click here to enter details. It will just populate automatically. It is searching. Good, it has already populated. So if you have entered correct ID number, the name and first name, other names will just populate here. Now let us go to father's information. Are the details of father available? Yes. Choose identification type, national ID, ID number, I will enter here. First name, I will enter here. Then this other information here, you don't have to struggle to enter here information, it is inactive. Just click here, search, and this information will just populate automatically if you have entered correct information above. So we can just wait for this information to populate here. It takes a few minutes. Correct, good, it has just appeared. It has populated here. This means we have entered correct information. Then we click next. Now here you choose scan copy of the notification here, scan copy of mother's identification document, scan copy of father's identification document. So you just click, choose here and select where you saved those documents. Like me, I saved in pictures, then birth certificates documents. So the first one I'm choosing scan copy of notification. I will choose this one, which is for notification. Then you click open. Now it has appeared here. Scan copy of mother's identification document. I will click choose. Then suggest those documents you should have scanned. For ID documents should have scanned at least showing both back and front information. You can just scan in the same page. Then you click open. Wait, okay, it has appeared here. Scan copy for father's document, click choose, and select father's document. You see, like here. And another thing, for those documents, for you to be, at least for convenience, at least I recommend you to rename the document. For birth notification, you can rename birth notification. For child, ID copy back front. For father, you can just rename father ID front and back. For mother, same, mother ID front and back. This is for convenient purpose and also for easy of checking there at the civil of registration. So I will select father's document here and click open. It will just appear here. Okay, it has appeared. After you have done this one, all these uploads, you click preview for you to preview all the information you have entered. Make sure it is correct. Patient details. If you want to edit, you can just click edit and you edit. Just details. Entry number. I can remind you to like the video, also to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. So let us continue. After you have checked all the process is okay, you can just click complete. Thank you for completing. Here now you have been redirected to payment method. You can use M-Pesa, Airtel Money, Visa card, KCB cash. There have several options here. For me, I will use the first option, which is M-Pesa. As you can see here, instruction. If you are paying with M-Pesa, enter your M-Pesa mobile phone number to pay with below and click pay. When completed, enter M-Pesa pin, click complete button, and you receive M-Pesa notification. So my number here, it has automatically populated here, and it is the number which I want to use. So I will just click pay. Then I wait for notification on my phone. If it appears, I will just enter the pin. Okay, it has appeared. I will enter my pin. Click send. Okay. So I will wait for M-Pesa confirmation. Then I will click complete. Okay, there's M-Pesa notification here. You have confirmed this one paid to eCitizen. So I will click here, complete. Now you see your payment was processed successfully. Please do not retry the payment if it does not yet reflect below. Here we have downloads, application outputs. We have payment receipt here. I recommend you can just download so that you can use for future reference. So the first document here, the application outputs, I will just click download. So this is the document. It has all the details you have entered plus date presented. This is pickup location. So I will click save so that it can be downloaded. Click save. Then I click go back. Then you download the second document, which is the receipt. Click download. This is the receipt 250 which we have made the payment. Then I will save to the computer and I will print later. So this document which you have downloaded can go to your downloads and open those documents, and you can print this document and present it to the Huduma Center while you are going to do your collection of that birth certificate. This is the first document, and the other one. So these documents, it's better you save them. You can go with them you'll go with these documents to collect that birth certificate. Now we have completed live process of birth certificate application. If you like the video, you have enjoyed the video, you have learned something, please like the video. Also remember to subscribe. A lot of videos are coming like this one. We'll be learning a lot in this channel. Subscribe. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for taking your time. Thank you for following this process, and thank you very much. I wish you all the best for your birth certificate application. Thank you.